Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Early Training. Today we'll learn CVC words, short vowel A story. Ben has a pet dog, Ted. Ben has a pet dog, Ted. Ben fed the Ted. Ben fed the Ted. Ben's dog Ted is wet. Ben's dog Ted is wet. Ned has a pet. It is a red hen. Ned has a pet. It is a red hen. Ned fed the hen. Ned fed the hen. Ben met Ned by the den. Ben met Ned by the den. Ben and Ned saw a web on the den. Ben and Ned saw a web on the den. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.